How to send bulk messages on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on this video we will see if we can send bulk messages on Facebook Messenger or not. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Messenger and make sure that you're logged in with your account. So as of now, Facebook Messenger does not have a native bulk messaging feature for the personal account. So it does not allow you to send bulk messages if you use the personal account. But if you wish to send messages to multiple people at once, here's how you can do it. Once you're here, tap on this pin icon at the top right corner. That's gonna let you create a group. Here you can search for your friend or contact to whom you would like to send a message. Type in their name. Once done, you have to select the name and then you can send a message, but it's not a true bulk messaging since Facebook does not have a direct bulk messaging feature, and Facebook may limit your messaging if you send too many messages quickly, which you would consider it as a spam. But if you use a business pages, bulk messaging is allowed, but only through the approved methods such as Meta Business Suite, Messenger API, or any other Facebook approved tools. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.